Hello guys. You must click this video to fix this problem. So let's fix this. Close the Photoshop. First press the Windows and R key together. Then type temp. Now delete all the files here. Some files may not delete, so just skip them. Again type %temp% in the run. And also delete this file. Now go to File Explorer. Open C drive, then Users, then your username file. Then App Data. If you didn't find the app data, just click on View and tick the hidden items. Now go to Roaming, then Adobe, then Adobe Photoshop. Here you will see CT Font Cache folder. Just delete the folder. Now also empty the recycle bin. That's it. Now open the Photoshop. Your problem must be fixed. Subscribe if this video worked for you.